Hey guys, thought I'd do y'all a little video today of some of the wind damage we've had here in Middle Tennessee. It has been really windy. This tree was dead already, but it was still standing. And this high wind last night has brought this thing down. It's still really windy out here right now, spitting snow, but it has really mashed the Dodge van. Could have been a lot worse. It could have went across a couple of them. There was really nothing inside the van. Anyway, I had just been storing some mashed aluminum cans in there. I had bags of cans that I had mashed, just saving them in there. So it didn't really hurt anything other than the van itself. Go back around here to the other side, give you a view. Hopefully y'all's not had any wind damage. But it has been extremely windy, especially around. It woke me up about between 4:30 and 5 a.m. this morning. That's the top of the tree there. But like I was saying, it woke me up about 4:30, 5 a.m. this morning with pieces of wood hitting the house from us blowing out of the trees. I got tree limbs all down in my driveway. Just caught the corner of the van just enough to mash the corner real good. Like I said, it could have been way worse. It come up to the blazer here, but it has not bent the blazer at all, I don't think. It is just kind of laid up against it and not hurt it. The good news out of this, I guess, is there's a bunch of firewood to be cut up here. Actually, I'm seeing it looks like it's went across the hood of that S10 Blazer right there as well. But I don't see the piece that actually went across the Blazer, unless that is it that has bounced back, maybe hit there and bounced back over to here. Could have been a lot worse. Like I said, the van had been sitting there for many, many years. The windshield was already out of it. Motor, transmission, all that's already out of it. Rear end, it's just basically a hole. Pieces of glass that have blowed out from way back through here. Yeah, even way on back here, there's pieces of glass all back through here. It blowed the glass a long way out from the van. But like I said, it could have been way worse. That was a big, big tree. I have little tree limbs down everywhere. I went to town this morning and they're all over the roads. But I just thought I'd do you guys that video on the mashed Dodge van. I will come back, do you guys another video real soon. Y'all have a great day.